Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be looking at Graves into Gardens. This song is by Elevation Worship and it is in the key of B major. So it's quite a simple song. It goes back and forth between B major and E major, which is played over B in the song. But overall, it's a very simple song. I think there's only like two main chord progressions, but we'll go through the song structure. So I'm just gonna go over some chords that we'll be using in this song and some chord voicings. Okay, so the first one is the B major, which is the root of this song. I'm playing it this way in this song, followed by a E over B. Okay, so this is a slash chord. So whenever you see a slash chord, the chord on the left is the first chord that you play on your right hand, and the notes that you see on your right is the chord that you play on your left hand, yeah. So in this case, I'm playing E and B on my left. You can also play it like this. Next chord we'll be using is a G sharp minor. And you might see me voice it this way. So this is a G sharp minor 7. You can choose to play it this way as well, in root position. The next chord is a E major. So I'm playing it in this inversion. And lastly, you might see me use the F sharp major, but mostly it's F sharp over B. That's what we'll be using the most of the time. Okay, so let's go into the intro. So this song is mainly guitar strumming. So we just kind of have to make up some of this or try and emulate what the guitar is doing. So this is how I would approach it. So what I'm playing there is I'm just trying to emulate what the guitar is doing. So I'm starting with the B major chord, but I'm playing it like this, and I'm arpeggiating it. And then I move over to the E over B. One, two, three, one, two, three, one, two, three. One, two, three, one, two, three, one, two, three. So that's basically what I'm playing on the intro. So now let's move over to the verse. I'm just gonna show you how to play one verse, and all the other verses are the same. Okay, so this is how the verse goes. I searched the world, but it couldn't fill me. Man's empty praise, treasures that fade, never enough. Okay, and then they go over to the second verse. Then you came along and put me together, and every desire is now satisfied here in your love. Okay, so let me just show you exactly what they're playing. So we're starting with the B major chord. And then we go over to E over B, which you play 3 times. Back to B, then E over B, back to B. So you do that for the first 2 times, and then you go to Man's Empty Praise, to G sharp minor, then to B over F sharp, and rest on E. Let's do that again. Start on B, and B over E, and then G sharp minor, and then we rest on E. And then we go over to the chorus. Oh, there's nothing better than you. Oh, there's nothing that's better than you. There's nothing's better than you. Okay, so chorus is pretty simple as well. Starting on the B major chord. There's nothing, which is gonna be followed by G sharp minor chord. There's nothing. So I'm playing G sharp minor 7, going to the E major. Nothing is better than you. And then rest on B. And then repeat. Oh, there's nothing better than you. Nothing. Oh, there's nothing. Nothing is better than you. What you may hear them play as well is that B. It goes something like this. Alright, so we've covered the intro, verse, and chorus. So what's left now is the bridge. So the bridge, it's basically like playing the intro over and over, with a few changes here and there. So it starts on the B major, to the E, okay, so that's how the bridge intro starts. Okay, so this is what the bridge would sound like. Okay, so I'm just gonna sing so that we know where we are. So it starts with, you turn mourning to dancing, you give beauty to ashes, you turn shame into glory, you're the only one who cares. Now second part of the bridge, you turn graves into gardens, you turn bones into armies, you turn seas into highways, you're the only one who cares. Repeat, you're the only one who cares. Again, pretty simple. As I said, it's just like playing the bridge with a slight change at the end. Sorry, it's like playing the intro with the slight change at the end. So we start on B to E, B to E, sharp minor to E, back to B, and B to 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. Okay, so that is all the parts of the song. I think after that they go back to the chorus. So, oh, there's nothing better than you. There's nothing. Yeah, so that pretty much covers every part of the song. So if you guys enjoyed this content, please make sure that you subscribe. And feel free to put your song request in the comment section. I may not be able to get to your song immediately, but I will do my best to do so. But thanks guys for tuning in, and I hope we can grow this community. See you next time.